Hi, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to my kitchen. We're doing brats in a blanket today. Of course, our favorite brats are Johnsonville. And the ones I have today are Irish garlic. Oh my goodness, you can't go bad on that. And this is very easy, like I was saying. And what I've done is taken a loaf of Rhodes bread dough, let it unthaw, and then I cut it in portions, as you can see. And then I'm going to put it on flour here and roll it out. This is so yummy when you're up in the mountains camping, or you can just do it here. I'm going to roll this out as thin as I can get it because we're going to let this raise. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my Dutch oven and let them kind of double in size and raise. And you know, we bake this, cook them at about 350 for about 30-35 minutes. You kind of keep an eye on them. And this is fun to do with the grandkids. They love doing stuff like this. And what we like to do is kind of keep the ends of these a little bit exposed. Don't wrap them real tight. Look at that. Isn't that easy? My goodness, and boy, do they turn out wonderful. We hope you enjoy this with us today and subscribe. And I'm going to let these just raise in that Dutch oven. That seems to work real good. But if you subscribe and hit that like button, every Tuesday we have a new video that comes out. Something wonderful and yummy that we've created. We're always trying to come up with something fun. And you can use whatever kind of brat you like. It doesn't matter. I kind of brush off the excess flour there. And these will kind of touch each other in the Dutch oven, and that's totally fine. And we're going to cook this over briquettes today, but you can cook it over coals. You know, if you want to be really creative, you can make your own bread dough, but you know, most of us have a busy life, and quick and simple is wonderful. And you want to put the seam side down when you put them in your Dutch oven. There you go. We're almost done here. And it takes about a half hour for these to raise. Depends on how warm it is, you know. Okay, got one more to go here. I'll have leftover dough here, but I'll figure out something to do with it. Yeah, we love to do this up camping, but if you don't have that opportunity to go camping, the other thing is, and we tell everybody this as we're doing our videos, anything that we do in our Dutch oven, you can also do it in your oven in your home if you do not have, you know, the cookware to do this. There we go. Okay, we'll see you outside. We'll be cooking this. How wonderful. Well, our wonderful brats in a blanket got done. Actually, it's their own little buns. As you can see, they turned out absolutely beautiful. I'll have my husband zoom in on the camera here. But it took probably 45 minutes. It took a little bit longer because our pot was full. And the two leftover pieces of bread, I went ahead and made rolls and put those in there. We'll have those too for dinner. Anyway, thank you for joining us today. We do have a website. It's wyoming-ovencooking.com. If you go to that website, it's got a wonderful user's guide and a recipe book. And it also shows and tells about all the wonderful cookware and things we love to use. We hope you go on to that and enjoy it. Thank you for joining us today. Of course, our motto is great food shared with family and friends equals great times. Thank you. Remember, every Tuesday we'll have a new one out there for you. Thank you and goodbye.